In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Phasmophobia on Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the easy process of setting up VR for Phasmophobia. As you can clearly see on the official Steam store page for the game, it lists the game as having full VR support. So, as long as you have a VR headset connected to your PC, you will be able to play it on a virtual reality mode. So, for the requirements, of course, make sure that you have Phasmophobia on Steam, and you should also download Steam VR. Usually, this isn't going to be mandatory, but it can help with games that run in VR through Steam. So, you can look for Steam VR on the store, it is free to download, and the last thing that you will need is the MetaQuest Link app. So look for MetaQuest Link and download it into your PC. This application will run on the background, and it is going to help detect and set up your Oculus Quest headset. So once you have all of these downloaded, what you have to do is ensure that the headset is indeed connected to the PC. If you are using an Oculus headset, you can do this with a Quest Link cable. So you purchase the link cable, plug one end into the headset. It is usually going to be at the side or on the other one, and then the other end of the cable goes into your PC on any of the available USB ports. This will establish the connection, and then you can use either Quest Link or AirLink if you want to do this connection wirelessly. Choose between Questlink or AirLink. I recommend Questlink because it is going to have less latency overall. And then when you click play on the game with the VR headset connected, you will see the option right here, so you don't have to do anything special. Launch Phasmophobia in Steam VR mode. So when you choose play, as long as you have the VR headset set up and connected to your PC, in this case the Oculus Quest 2, with the Questlink application on the background, it is going to automatically detect it and set it up for you. It is simple to do, and like I said, it is supported natively, so you don't have to download mods. Just launch the game with Phasmophobia in VR, Steam VR, and then the MetaQuest Link app with the Oculus Quest 2 connected to your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Phasmophobia on Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.